Hello, my name is Jan Matthijs.
And my name is Isabelle.
And we are members of the SIESTA Medical Imaging team.
The contribution of the medical imaging team to SIESTA is to define and develop a framework that allows for the analysis, reanalysis of very valuable but private and sensitive imaging data, where we focus on, but don't limit ourselves to, neuroimaging data.
On the data sharing end, this requires a low threshold incentive for researchers, the so-called data owners, to share their collected data for other people on the SIESTA platform. On the data analysis end, this requires that other researchers, the so-called data users, can get a sneak preview of data in a form that has been stripped of any identifiable information. These pseudo or scrambled data allow data users to explore the data structure and then to develop and tweak their analysis pipelines on their local, unsecure computer environments. Subsequently, these pipelines are executed on the SIESTA platform in a secure way.
The data users' pipelines will be executed on the sensitive private data in EOSC secure compute environment, and the results of those computations will be made differentially private before they are returned to the data user.
For instance, it requires the data to be organized according to a standard structure. Furthermore, it requires containerized software applications and computational analysis steps that don't require user interaction upon execution. Our approach reflects recent developments in neuroimaging field, where consensus-driven standardization of data representation, the so-called BITS format, and the use of open-source software tools reflect the state of the art. The data users' pipelines will be executed on the sensitive private data in EOSC's secure compute environment, and the results of those computations will be made differentially private before they are returned to the data user.
In this way, the SIESTA platform will facilitate the reuse of medical imaging data that is private and sensitive, but very valuable for scientific reuse.